Mazda MX-5 Miata is a precision-designed automobile that embodies the spirit of the roadster experience. Its enthusiast-designed cockpit and user-friendly controls are evident in every detail. However, the MX-5 Miata's performance on open roads sets it apart. Its lightweight chassis, balanced handling, and sensitive steering allow for a connection with the road, making every turn an opportunity to push harder. Mazda's commitment to the driving experience is evident in every detail of the vehicle. Despite 3 full redesigns and a span of 30 years, Mazda's MX-5 Miata spiritually hasn't changed much since it debuted at the 1989 Chicago Auto Show. The plucky roadster remains tiny, lightweight, and rear-wheel drive. An inline-4 lives in its nose. 2 seats live between its axles, and its top goes down. It is a simple, fun, affordable sports car, a key driver behind its becoming the best-selling roadster of all time some years ago. There's a good chance someone you know has one, has had one, or wants one. Where did that magic come from? Follow along our full history of the MX-5 for a hint, and discover a few of the model's desirable special editions and offshoots. The original Miata, which comes to be known as the NA generation, is officially released as a 1990 model and vaguely resembles a 60s-era Lotus Elan remastered for the 20th century. Its features are endearing, including pop-up headlights that, when opened, give the MX-5 the appearance of a happy, wide-eyed thing, especially in conjunction with the rounded mouth in the bumper. The MX-5 Miata is powered by a 116 1.6-liter engine and is available solely with a 5-speed manual transmission. Niceties such as power windows and aluminum wheels are optional, and no matter how it's equipped, the Miata is extremely lightweight by modern standards. Only 3 colors are offered initially: blue, red, and white. Later, Mazda adds a Silverstone metallic. The MX-5 Miata stands out for its ability to turn every twist and turn into an exhilarating experience. Its lightweight chassis and finely tuned suspension make it feel like an extension of the driver's body, ensuring agility without compromising on safety. Tight corners are met with minimal body roll, allowing optimal control and enjoyment of spirited driving. The MX-5 Miata offers a choice of engines, each engineered to deliver an optimal balance of horsepower and efficiency. The SCACtive technology maximizes fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance, making every drive both exhilarating and economical. The Miata's 2-seat cabin limits intrusions on passenger space. For example, the armrests are thin and stuck onto essentially flat door panels, the center console is narrow, and the footwells are surprisingly boxy and roomy. Ttile drivers find that the tops of their heads stick up above the windshield header, and there is barely enough trunk space for a weekend getaway for 2 people. None of this matters, as the sprightly Miata causes a sensation at dealerships across the country. For over 3 decades, the MX-5 Miata has remained true to its roots, a testament to Mazda's commitment to innovation and driving pleasure. Introduced in 1989, the MX-5 Miata revolutionized the roadster market with its lightweight design and exceptional handling. Since then, it has evolved through multiple generations, each building upon the legacy of its predecessors. The MX-5 Miata continues to set benchmarks for sports car enthusiasts worldwide, earning accolades for its performance, design, and reliability. Its enduring popularity speaks to Mazda's dedication to craftsmanship and engineering excellence. Despite its sporty nature, the MX-5 Miata doesn't compromise on practicality. Its spacious trunk and thoughtful storage solutions make it ideal for weekend getaways and daily commutes. Interior storage compartments keep essentials within easy reach, while cup holders and charging ports ensure comfort and convenience on longer journeys. Owning an MX-5 Miata is not just about the driving experience, it's about being part of a passionate community that celebrates the car's heritage and timeless appeal. Owners take pride in their MX-5 Miatas, customizing them to reflect their personalities and enhancing their driving experience.